Hello friends, I am Dr. Sunil Yadav, educational leader and educational speaker. Friend, today I will discuss about parenting in emergency. Friend, children are just like sponge. They absorb everything what their parents say, what their teachers say, or same is the case with television, which has become digital parent for them. You are hero at the home in such a tough time, so focus on solution rather than focusing on the problem. Let us set some good example for our children by taking very good decision and learning some skills of good parenting. Friends, today I will discuss some tips how to do parenting in tough and difficult time. Tip number 1, positive word. In these days on television, every channel is forecasting about medical emergency and they are supporting their statement with the help of number, figures on daily basis. So panic is being created. So rather than focusing on these negative things, it is good to get latest update, but we have to protect our children. So get updated, but when you are sharing these things with the children, it is not advisable. I suggest with them share positive things like clean environment, how technology is helping in solving these problems. Many social workers are coming out and they are helping needy people, and in such a crisis our government is also working very good. The government has become very alert. These are some of the points which we can share with our children. Second, time schedule. Parents are at home, children are at home. If you are not following time schedule, don't expect that your children will follow schedule. Sit together, decide some schedule for study, schedule for cooking, cleaning, browsing, mobile game, television time. In this way, engage your children in positive activities. Third point, I will suggest online safety. Your teenager children may be continuously be online. I suggest activate parental control. If possible, browse with them, because this is the time when cyber criminals are also very active. Through their videos, they are attracting youngsters, especially teenager boys and girls. So protect them from getting viral false videos, protect them from cyberbullying by staying alert online. Fourth point, family game. Earlier, parents were telling, some teachers were telling, even children were telling, parents are not having time from their work, children were not having time from their work, but now all are having time. Utilize this time in strengthening family relationship. Call your immediate family members, talk with them, and if all family members are staying together, play some games. Ensure that games are both academics as well as physical games. Academic games like storytelling, story completion, spelling bee, number counting, table division, drum sera, drama, singing, physical activities may include yoga, meditation, exercise. Fifth point, extra precaution. Friends, if you are living in crowded home, crowded community, you have to take extra precaution when many family members are staying in little space. You have to take extra care of children and senior citizens. Follow the guidelines of local administration. If you have desire to go back to your native place, gather information about transportation arrangement, registration, and try to avoid going out of home. Next, sixth one, supervise online learning. If the school of your child is arranging online class, sit with your kids, supervise his study, check whether he is doing work or not, check their notebook, help in completing their homework, arrange the material. Friends, if you are doing all these things successfully, we can discharge our duty of parenting in this tough time of medical emergency that is called COVID-19 pandemic.